Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to change the default video player app on your Windows 10 laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, and you want to search for settings. Best result should come back with settings. Go ahead and select that. And then you want to select the apps tile. On the left side under apps, select default apps, and then on the right side, and then underneath where it says video player, select whatever is listed here, and you can select from one of the pre-installed apps on your computer, or you can search in the Microsoft Store for a new app. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.